All right, we're gonna name some alkanes. So we're gonna follow that 4-step process where we find the parent chain, name the parent chain, name the side groups, and then name the compound. And I'm gonna do these ones with you. At any point in this video when you feel comfortable naming these, stop watching, go do the rest of the practice, and then either check the answer key or watch the rest of the video so that you can get a little bit of practice on your own. The other thing about this is, I'm not sure if you guys are printing these, but it is going to be helpful that if you can get it off the computer. So print it out if you have a printer. If you don't have a printer, then just draw this on a piece of paper, because it really helps to have it where you can write on it and number it. And the computer's not always the best for that. The other thing I like to use when I do this is I like to have a highlighter so that I can highlight my parent chain. It just helps me visualize what is a parent chain and what is an ethyl group. So I'm going to use a green highlighter today. So I'm going to start with number 1, and I'm going to find that parent chain, the longest group of carbons. So this would be 1, 2, 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No matter which way I go, I'm going to have 3 carbons as my parent chain. And I'm going to want the side chain coming off the lowest possible carbon, which for this one would be 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2. So it's going to come off the second one. So I'm going to make this one easy and just do right across the top. Make that my parent chain. And then I'm going to number my parent chain so that the side chain, this thing right here, comes off the lowest number. So I can just go right across. This is 1 carbon, 2 carbons, 3 carbons. This side chain has 1 carbon, so it's going to be a methyl group. And now I'm going to put the whole thing together. So I'm going to start by writing the number where my side chain comes off. So this is a 2. Separate my numbers and my words with dashes. This is a 2 methyl name my side chain, and then I want to put my parent chain right there. 3, the prefix for 3 is prop, and this is an alkane, so it ends in ane. So this compound is called 2-methylpropane. Next one, find my parent chain with my highlighter. I can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 4 is the most carbons I can get in a row. And now I want to see where I can make it so that it's the lowest number of carbon with a side chain. So if I start left to right and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, I would have my side chain coming off my second carbon. If I start it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, my side chain would come off my third carbon, which isn't good. I want the lowest possible. I could do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's still going to come off the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4 comes off the second one. So I'm going to make my parent chain be a 4-carbon chain where a side chain comes off the second carbon. So I made mine like that, and I'm going to number 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3, and 4. This side chain contains 1 carbon, so it'll be a methyl. I'm going to name my compound. I'm going to start with the number of carbon that the side chain comes from. So it's a 2 dash my side chain name, methyl, and my parent chain name. I have 4 carbons in my parent chain. 4 goes with bute and ends in ane. So I got 2-methylbutane. Number 3, I want a real long side chain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like this long thing here with the 7 carbons in a row is my parent chain. And if I start numbering from the left, my side chain comes off carbon number 4. If I start numbering from the right, my side chain comes off carbon number 4. So it doesn't matter. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side chain has 2 carbons. So 2 means ethyl. 2 means F, so this will be an ethyl group. And I'm going to name my compound. The side chain comes off number 4 carbon. It's an ethyl group. And my parent chain has 7. Prefix for 7 is hept. Ends in ane. 4 ethyl heptane. Number 4. Let's try straight across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 7's going to be my parent chain. Okay, if I start this way, I get a side chain coming off of the 4th carbon. If I start this way, I get a side chain coming off the 3rd carbon. Since I want low numbers, I'm going to start this way. 5, 6, and 7. I got 2 side chains here. This side chain is an ethyl because it has 2 carbons. This side chain is a methyl because it has 1 carbon. Now I'm going to number or write my whole compound's name. I want my side chains to be in alphabetical order. Ethyl comes before methyl. So this would be a 3 dash ethyl dash 4 dash methyl, and my parent chain would be heptane. So this is 3 ethyl 4 methyl heptane. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to speed up the process from now on. I got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to number it that way so that my side chain comes off of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got an ethyl and a methyl. I want my ethyls to come first. So this is a 5 dash ethyl dash 3 dash methyl octane, because I have 8 in my parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No other way beats that. Boop, boop, boop. Parent chain has 10 carbons. And if I start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, side chains would come off 6. If I start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, side chains come off 5. So this is 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I got an ethyl group and a methyl group. So I'm going to have 5 dash ethyl dash 5 dash methyl. Prefix for 10 is dec, and they end in ane. 5 ethyl, 5 methyl decane. You sound smart. Last one on here, this is a windy, curvy parent chain. And we end up with the maximum number of carbons in a row being 9. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I start here, I get the 4th carbon side chain. 2, 3, 4. 4th carbon side chain. I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got an ethyl group and a methyl group. So I'm going to get 4 dash ethyl dash 6 dash methyl. 9 prefix is non-ane. 4 ethyl 6 methyl non-ane would be the last one on there. So go back, re-watch if you need to. Practice on your own. This is how you draw alkanes.